What if I say to advise yourself? Then what would it be? But wait, I want you to advise your younger version of you. Let's suppose 5 year younger version of you. Good afternoon everyone. I hope you all are fine. Once again I am here with a new topic, an interesting one. And the topic is advise 5 year younger yourself. Exciting, isn't it? Of course it is. So tell me your advice to yourself in the comments, and I will share my advice to my younger me to you. I will write a letter to younger me. So here's the letter. Dear younger me, my first advice to you is love yourself, because this is the most important part of your life. Love your family, love your friends. Live the life to the fullest, because you will not get this back. Enjoy the present moment, because once this moment will pass you, it will not come back to you. So enjoy it to the fullest. Be kind to others. If someone needs you, if someone needs your help, then do it. Don't fill yourself with anger and pain, because it will hurt you the most. Don't beg to be loved. Just wait and let love come to you when it's right time. Keep progressing. Change yourself and you will see the world will change simultaneously. Get out of your comfort zone. Do new things. Do innovative things. Do whatever you want to do in your life. Get your anger a perfect direction. Keep working on yourself. Keep working on your self education, because formal education is one thing and self education is the other thing. So keep working on your formal education and as well as self education. Be proud of yourself, that who you are. Always make your parents proud. Try yourself to the extreme. No matter what happens, just try it. Just try yourself. Okay? And one more thing. Your future will be on the decision that will take you now. So enjoy your life. Take the correct decisions. You are sincerely your older me with much more experience. Thank you.